Writing for ISTE, Mark Gura from Fordham University argues that technology coaches will not only need to be familiar with technology itself, but will need to lead change around the integration of technology. He writes, one of the things digital change agents will have to do is change perspective and see themselves as advisors and explainers. These people do much for schools in establishing and supporting a school's tech program, but haven't had the opportunity to prepare for a wholesale shift to technology throughout the school's instructional and administrative program. While Gura's statement may ring true, what does a change agent actually do? What does it look like to think and act as an agent of change? Check out this video from Essex and Fairfax County for ideas on how they embody the role of change agent in their daily work. Each coach was asked to reflect on the following 3 questions. What does it mean to be a change agent? How do you live that every day? And how does your work as an SBITS support equity of access and change management? As you review the video, think about how you might respond to these same questions based upon your experience as an SBITS, or even working with other colleagues in your school. Do these responses bring up any questions?